Utie oha extra punk no. Needs FM.
Yo, Eja, Ajoso.
Muhumpo etisan.
Nyamiado, yahuya pa.
Yo. Na edien ena esia mo ba betwro se enkoso se kwantabisa. Wonye ehufuo na ompa obia achew.
Yo, medase, Needs FM. Nchia watiefo ina meso nchia mama ha. Ngidi so tiefo bia hoye. Yo, well, asoma obisa no cross semini. Axim network for Axim development NADEF. Yen yese. Yen makwan ema enkoso hene eme pacho. It's say yenya press conference bi a no akọ so e wa Axim ha sei. Na ne ehunya ne say one more year press conference no from who say omo ye concern youth of Axim, which Axim ye youth mienu ne wa ha say nti ye hu say they are unknown youth association and nti no omo to me enye statement and me kan che na na kwantabisa say omo pachaw wo nia asihu and nti na yen as recognized association NADEF network for Axim development. They say ya makwan ema nkwantabisa na nkwantabisa ema pachaw.
Mumma kwama aye enkoso se kwantabisa me pachaw on the basis say youth group no a ese wo me pachaw no. Wo monye recognize youth group anase den.
No yeah one but no yeah the basic. Enko tintia ya kasa ni say almost say they don't recognize Nana Kwantabisa say ya omo nim no sana omo kire ewo mo ye fensen omo release nim afi so say obapa honorable Catherine Chew say we try and throw ato so as youth association ya wa Axim ha say no some PA ewo wata January report no bibia nim a e say honorable anase Nana Kwantabisa can throw ato Catherine so anase o de sembi ato no so anase aka sembi a enye e de gu ya mame honorable Catherine hu fi enu nti anam so na omoka say omra be pachaw enu na yen ye say ya makwan e ma pachaw
Na ye na mu say eye youth group ya esre enkoso se kwantabisa wo mra me pache onye se ebetu no mo beka so mo ye MPP fo na mo ye hemfo
yeah youth association wa Axim ha say enra ehna ni tua won wan kwa press conference no and penfo bu bi say ye say wo ban suo ho a na ohun say kwoto ebo wa ye tija no ho no na ye nim ye ka won wan kwa press conference hina no MPP fo one more press conference no omo hina MPP fo on pictures hina wa outside bet me e dey akire omo hu say yes sanko fo we hina ye MPP fo a omo ba out ebe threat say Nana Kwantabisa be pacha wa omo tunu na no na NADEF network for Axim development ebisa say tumben na omo wa omo tunu sabe Nana Kwantabisa anya no na ode ne ho si agua so ahemfo ane mpanyimfo na bomu ehun se akoda we wetumi aboa ama development aba Axim asase so eno nti na mo paw ne say oma ya nkoso hene awa Axim kurom ha sei eno nti se wa ya bibi mpo ya fa ne say ade o ye mpo enya anka enya say yekọ release anase mo ya press conference memo mpanyimfo mi di si ade so no na edwa nkoto am say oh nananom mo ba ya modne man say oma boa na mpuntom na kuremi mo bai akoye se nani aya se nani to enu nti ye pese mo frɛ no na mene ne kasa na asama wakani na se wo fa ne kwan so na we akoye se modim tumi ene me practical admission bi na ede kasa na eno na as youth association na ye wa Axim say no ye say ye mpene ma na me pacho na fi etuna mo simu tunu no mo metunu se mo wasa tunu na mo metunu
na ken Auditor General report no cover 2018 expenditures no ebo Axim din ebo constituency bi din ebo region bi din ebo district bi din in relation to the expenditure on the announced the misapplication of 200,000 meant for the machine a marine drive no report no bo constituency bi din ebo okuro bi din ana
report no amoko din wa mo association din wa mo ko bi din no mom obo kundum edin
hona mu say na ye mu masam ne ye ka
that is it
na report no can say that misapplied amount of 200,000 cedis no ye de akoma na nanom se yemfa ni kundum ana
da bi report na kasa
report
no ne yoka ni say or the selska no eboae ko de boa kundum
na wan
Ghana one more di kundum ayen zamani ahanta ane Cote d'Ivoire baby part of Cote d'Ivoire ana mudi kundum ana there was date bia na obia ta mo di kundum enti asema o kan ne data e ba e wo auditor report mu no e kire say eye yenzema ha sei yenzema east kundum ana na o kan ho asem enu nti ana enkwantabisa asenkoso hen. He is the chairman of the planning kundum committee. Asamene basa no anke anyeso kasa na social media ko ya na mo friend no say asama ya chini say wona wo ya kundum planning committee chairman ya say discuss say e dey ababo kundum ano na no so yi na no e kan say asama no kana mo kan no de wanhu no mo so hu ya no ya 7,000 na ana mo ka twin de support kundum no na say kana mo kan de wanhu we and almost say, what try some to get so until on the patch. And no, and I ain't even say no, as a man can. And yet you must have because and fan of one, he is the chairman of the Kundum Plan Committee. Into our right says he said once more, I saw a can you so say, yeah, anymore.
Na honorable Abelema, or no, or can say 200,000 or best spend the Eddie Amana Nanum for Kundum.
And I mentioned, say, one council about spending one nanum. Or no, say, or the boy kundum, or you see the word kundum, one can't nananom, one can't a plan committee, one can't be a kundum. And it is some way, I'm no Casasiano, and sign on my hand. I would like to be me, and also a press conference. I can say here that auditor report now, that's can be mono. Because on my say, or sounds of supporting in sign kundum, or supporting for kundum. And na awurai ade kwame so asori aye press release ade kasa yi na no afasa asem ho a me wo audio sisi a me no kasa
na aye former MP former tourism minister Abelema Afeku wanfa anyontofuo bia ama Axim kundum na se
no kre 2018 as tourism minister ye oye ni enso oye ade oye de ye twene salute oye ade papa ade artist bae and obi obaka say wafa artist bae na pa ko twa ntro yen youth of Axim no NADEF network for Axim development no yen ka say obi mabu akonta anase sika sam ne ye ka ho asem ne ye ka ne say no kure no ne ye ka ho asem enye ne sika na apie auditor general no ne ye ka ho asem nemum no kwana wo mu ne ye say ka Madam Abrama Catherine Afeku former tourism minister art and culture 2018 e be di kundum no say no oye ni ku Axim ha say enti Afeku ndum de o de artist ba ama kundum na ayeden ayede no kwani artist o de ba ayede mi twa ntro kra entako be 10 ni nati o de mo ba ama kundum aye kra ba hwe papa enti ni ni mo won say o de artist ba pa
na fe adenti na Theophilus Musa wono kasa se ose nkwantabisa akwakogu Abelema animasia afe de mu tutu ne ayampia se wono wo ye de be character assassination contractor character assassination contractor na say
Hello. I said, Obidi, a Juma show, I said, yes, yes, that's my mammy. And you see, a Juma said, you know, or the show, a Juma will see into your mammy, near to piano, you know, I can say, yes, now we are man. Into where I said, Obi, and a cassette on Cassa on your press conference, no, and oh, yeah. And you see, I didn't say, I would say, I didn't see, and now, on one fat, Madam in the office. Because concerning Saskana and PPNC, and now Moya press release. I didn't say Madam office as MP. That is one. Two, former minister, tourism, agriculture. Yeah, you see that two title no. I find your press conference. I'm going for a different name. Because I'm winning Yamoye. And nothing is our name, the man.
I just said, dear Pano, dear Professor Nokoi. Auntie Mokofa Prof Dean Asambe Bata we home.
I would say assembly bar, I am not in some PP. Some BP here, no fractioner, yeah, reflected at the Abba. Yes, it's self from Yasia, I know who is Samai. And you see, and I castle. Yes, so I'm my uncle and Crown Qua, what we try and do. We are saying, now we be at the wedding. Now, in saying I am some four. I know boom at developing some, and 7 years my acquire some sense me pushing by Yans my funny antissa. The Husian Yans my copper, that's a only inside and near Chino Buffum. And none I used to for say, yes, yeah, Primasadian Cosso, because I assume I yet a tiddy as in a near check. As I can see a queen missing way. Then painful be a moyen. When your position a car and I'm going to make a car pet. No more Kuriat 9 years, so you use no. And it is some year. Never go on now. Young Jaja home, a man fire say. The way I reflection, I had the bird book.
Na Musa say, Osam Quantabisa, a year and Kososa Quantabisa, where your NDC ni, into Mososo, Mujina Mama Sam Quantabisa, and Namoso NDC Fuana.
No crania, Medasi, so I was a question with. Say, Obia, what the party. Ah, don't. Yeah, use the association. But I'm not saying to say, Obia need the party, and then the American control. Obia one party or dumb. But you know, you can't no crano. So we party A, we are party B, now we be an angel. Your mamma will say, yet. Into your committee, so, yeah, mamma messing here want to say. The whole Casama, a cool, a nadeva. So Casama could say a good time, a political issue now, or Casa in your political area. So can't one political side. No, the coolness in change because Ghana has a Obia no back say or don't cool beer only party moon. Obia or party moon. And you see, say, yeah, Casa, say, yeah, ma, a quiet ma, and Cotamisa, and Apurja. I don't just say, oh, and this is when you end this for that be. Yen, no, crano. I think what's here, Massimina, Atia say. If they follow no, you follow no crano. Because, Sabi, what mean foul pet? And far MBG or beer, he been at Nisi home. On mine, Nankasano, you will pin a down, and a pin a powder inside the power say, what that's idea we are no national identical coso. That's what be few man who passes any power with me, me to me, and my man is 7 days. Say, I'm a patch of you too. Then 2 pound I walk. Tani, actually. That to me, no, when you say, 1 man 7 days. No, I'm going to so my patch of wa, and actually say, I don't know Yajima. It says, no more, and I wouldn't see idea so. Yes, no.
You, at the CCA, your veteran transfer. Na Yahoo baby, as I know, ever quackusi.
No, my metal will find chatro. None coming per se, may Becassa, but already I really see your president. A man more friendly and between Mocassa. Now, an panel, I have for them painful benum FFA. I can say, you hold you on with the release no. The Ukrainian area is there, you catch what we say, no Ukrainian some pa, you release there. Now, you can't say, opposite be a chat because the crew up here will be dear. This has been one. It's a pina because I know what kind of a crack. I say a bar, or a share. no afre afani afahina nti we enye ntokwa asema esi osisi ano me
na wahine kasiase obeba yi a yehwe ni mu wose nkwantabisa eye nkoso wose nkwantabisa na nanom ne ya adwene se wo mekire ensem a wakire mu amena kofa hoye ya bayana
ana mekire se anapa kwala minya ya no kire se na nanom aya magye so ho mpese mu hia afani afahina na yehwe na ne o bia mo kama asomdwe de eba esi ahonde ti obetwa mu a ebi nyira eniti ne aba no nanom ayde asom ami adoma ofi na ya kwesi Monday akwade idi se bibia ba ya kama atubetwa ya enya ntokwa ne yakoso hia no enya ntokwa na obi antan obi akire obi a ba nya ya pese parapare ya adwuma yede no kura no bibia da bia de to na ya adwuma
na ya de kura se eye kundum hu eye sika kakra de kokohwe Axim Government Hospital Theatre se ekoye refurbishment any renovation afi de abelema kofa eye international artist ede wo mo ba se ye be stage eye a scene bi e wo hɔ a was nkwantabisa nkosoro nkwantabisa ekopam nkrofo yi no kre
no kre even yehen youth for no ye comforto administrator no say for the past 3-4 years in here Axim planning committee renovate Axim Government Hospital to theater almost see ultramodern theater nyame adom almost see we are almost start the painting near the new painting na paint the whole hospital na emu no na ehun say another enkofo bi so painting hospital different color and yen natural party development ya approach one no mo say ya ma make a trainer na enkofo bi ba ye movie wa say ne say na munim say Axim planning committee and na ohodu hospital na omo ye ho adwuma na den na sa de we koso na yente ho hwe na omo kire say honorable abama afiku na ye de omo amkwan a omo ye sa adwuma no nti eho na yen as youth no ye kona nanom chen e de ko to say asema ya tini na matia na no so no omo hweda ti sa asem no nti sa de a yen frɛ nkoso hene na nkwantabisa esa se ono anya nkoso hene san so ye kundu plan committee chairman ye frɛ no no se ampa ono so wate nti wakoho aka cha won se omomra metena se na bibia ohu bia mo hwe na mo nka na mo hold you because ya painting ye guso ye painting building no omo so ba sta painting no which committee ni nya we nti omomra na metena se na mo nya dai mo nkasa nti ya dia a process o se bibia mu no se ya de hye won sa se wo de mra na ye adwuma enu ti se wa fa mra na nya adwuma na se o ma obi ebe se ni a wo pase wo ye na se wo nya hwefo pa wo nya nipa ye de hye wo so na hweso enu ti na nkwanta bisa etu sa na mo no na wan kwa pam won se be o me fi wo tu fa mra e fe kete ni sem empam won sa da bi ka cho so momra o moment na se na ne won bia ne ahwɛ ne aka because bobae no muhu sɛ ye guso ye painti dan no afei mo so ba sakala no ye nim the source the meaning e kire kwansa ye komu a o maka kyerɛ sɛ ye movie a o ma ba ye wɔ hɔ nso obisa ne ayen etu ho na mo na ye nim ho no
wɔyɛ ɛde na Stephen ama ye betwentwe so ama nananom aba betena se na o mama ye ato ye ye de wase ne awie nkɔmɔ a woni atwetwe NEAT 100.9 FM
yo yeso ya da wase da watie fo nyina se na ne ya kan se ne mati bia no ko bia wo bia ne se ya ka bia no so bi ka wa banti o kan pe Ghana ye ho amote enu ntina me ka se wo bia wa mente won ka kire because o ka na wo di another bia o kan na ye bia wo ho yen ye wo ground nti ne ya ka bia no nim ne ya ka ya da se ne watie fo
yeso ya de wase pa right yeah Stephen Ama president network for Axim development and otina with me I was up
Utie oha exi ponkno NEAT FM